Hey Minecraft lovers, are you tired of the same old textures in your game? Want to try something fun, fresh, and colorful? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the coolest texture packs out there, the BlockPixel Resource Pack. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. And yes, the link to this texture pack is in the description below. If you're a Minecraft player looking for a fresh and fun way to enjoy the game, then the BlockPixel Resource Pack is something you should definitely try. This texture pack gives your Minecraft world a brand new look with bold, blocky designs and bright colors. It changes the way everything looks, from blocks and items to mobs and the user interface. What makes BlockPixel special is its unique cartoon-style textures. Every block has a thick outline, which makes it look like it came straight out of a comic book or pixel art game. This style not only looks cool but also makes it easier to recognize different blocks and items in the game. One of the best things about this pack is that it stays true to Minecraft's original charm while giving it a fresh twist. Whether you're building a house, mining for diamonds, or exploring a cave, the BlockPixel pack makes everything more colorful and enjoyable. It works well with most versions of Minecraft and is easy to install. The link to this texture pack is in the description below. Another great feature is that BlockPixel is not too heavy, so it runs smoothly even on low-end computers. You don't need a high-powered PC to enjoy it. This makes it perfect for younger players, or anyone who wants a creative and playful look without slowing down the game. The link to this texture pack is in the description below. If you love exploring Minecraft with a fun and artistic style, you should definitely give BlockPixel Resource Pack a try. It's one of the most creative and eye-catching packs out there. Whether you're new to Minecraft or a long-time player, this pack adds something fresh to your experience. The link to this texture pack is in the description below. So, what are you waiting for? Download the BlockPixel Resource Pack today, and give your Minecraft world a brand new vibe. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome Minecraft content, and comment below your favorite texture pack. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting.